So I've got these 2 jobs to do this morning, and then this afternoon I am definitely sorting out this stock. I'm hoping I can get to it sort of today, so like earlier than, this morning. Kind of drizzly, wet, spitty day in Kessingland. So these will all look, there'll be different bikes out here this morning, and most of these will be inside other than the ones we've got for sale. So the sale tickets will go on these. But my main focus for today is get one of those bikes done so the customer knows about it. Hopefully one of the customers will get back to me about whether they want me to do the other one, and then I can get on. So that's my goal for today, is to get those bikes sorted and the sales bikes out on display. So the first job of the day is this very rare frame. This is a Lenton Marque III, which is, it's a Raleigh, but it's the Lenton Marque. It's really rare. It's seen better days, but we need to give it a service because it's making horrible noises. Things are wobbling. It's just not working properly. So that's what I'm going to do. That's my first job of the day. It's to sort the Lenton Marque III out. Just get it working. That's my plan. It's lovely and fully restored. I would imagine it's worth a fair bit of money, but it does need some help. So I'm going to crack on with that. Okay, so that's the Lenton Marque III done. So I've tightened the bearings up, inflated the tyres, adjusted the brakes up here, lubricated the drive, gears are doing what they're supposed to do, tightened up the bearings in the rear wheel, adjusted the brakes and tightened up the headset. So this one's all done. If you want to book your service, you can book it online at cyclerecycleuk.com/book online. I'm just really going to show you quickly how easy it is to book online. So I'm just going to turn the camera. So here you go. You go on our website and then you just click on workshop. Let's have a good look at workshop. So we'll just click on workshop. You'll get a selection of options that you can choose. So let's go for bicycle service, and then from bicycle services you get 3 choices. You get gold, silver or bronze. This one was a bronze service. Click on there, book that, and that will take you to the booking page. Could not be easier. So I'm still waiting to hear about the Orbea. I'm going to crack on with my second job of the day, or should I say my third job of the day, which is actually now going to be the second job of the day, which is getting this getting the shop sorted out. I want the sale bikes, I want them out the front today. So if you stay with me for a second, I'm going to see if this camera will do it. What I'm going to try and do is get it to focus on my hand. So There you go. So you should be following my hand, but no, it doesn't want to play. So let's get it just focusing on me. Here we go, higher. So I've got a really trendy gimbal and it doesn't always do what I want it to do. So we've got a load of bikes that are for sale that are in here, and I want those with new tickets on out the front. I want to raise this bar up so then I can put some of the ladies' bikes along the top and the gents' bikes along the bottom. That's in my head, that's how it's going to work. However, we're limited for space. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some time lapse and I'm just going to work my way through it, because I think I may have forgotten just how big a job this is. Okay, so I think let's get some bikes up here, get them in the workshop, and then yeah, we'll do it that way. Okay, so that's my next job. It's a big job, but we'll have the sale bikes out the front and all the ones that aren't for sale in the shop. Right, I'm going to get into it. That's the scaffolding sorted. Just big Meccano really. Big thanks to my mate Wayne who got me loads of scaffolding. He's a legend. So let's get the bikes up, and start organising it so that then all of the ones I'll show you just really quickly. All of those ones have got to go up in the rack, and then all of these ones have got to go up in the rack, and then I've got to swap one by one the bikes out the front to get them in and then put the tickets on. So it's going to be up and down ladders for the next 25-30 minutes, so I think I'm going to have a drink and then I'm going to have a drink and then I'm going to take my coat off because this is warm work, and then I'm going to get the bikes up. So that's my plan. So the bike's all done. All the bikes in. I know I'm going to regret putting those bikes there, but hopefully we can make some space and get rid of some bikes. And then out the front here So this one's got 20 quid off, this one's got £10 off. Zoom in, there we go. This one is down to £10, sorry. So start again. One's got £20 off. This one's got is just £10 for that little kiddie's red bike. This one's £10. This one's got £15 off. This one's half price. This little bike here is a tenner. This one's a tenner. This one's got £15 off. £15 off. This bike is £10. This one's got £50 off. This Peugeot's got £40 off. This adult mountain bike is just 40 quid. This Sun Solo is half price, just 125, and this tandem is just 200 quid. Bargains, 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 bargains. But as you can see, we have got a lot of bikes. So on to the next job, which is a cup of tea. Sold a bike. We just sold the vintage Itera Volvo plastic bike to a vintage bike enthusiast actually, and we took 2 bikes in part exchange. We've got Protein Folding that I'll be working on probably tomorrow, and this Pooch Elegance that I'll also be working on tomorrow, so keep your eyes peeled for that video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Please like, subscribe. Everybody tap that notification button so you know exactly when we're doing a video. And thank you so much for subscribing. We really do appreciate it. You can find out about everything we do at CycleRecycleUK.com, including bike sales, including bike repairs, including servicing. You can even sell your bike on our website. It's really good, our website, I have to say, only because I built it. So have a wonderful evening, and we'll see you bright and fresh tomorrow.